Welcome to this tutorial on creating groups and adding members to a course in Blackboard Original. In this video, I'll walk you through all the steps required to achieve this task. This option of groups and members is required when you have multiple sections of the same course merged into one section. And now, for the sake of differentiating these students on the basis of their sections so that they can be graded, and the marks can be entered into any student information system for each section separately. Or it can be one section, and the teacher needs to create groups on the basis of some task or assignments. Or there is a class project that is divided into groups, and a group can have different number of students. So here we go. First of all, log in to your Blackboard course. Under the Course Management, you will find Users and Groups drop-down list. Click this and then click Groups. Here you have two options. Click the Import options. Now you have two buttons to browse local files, one file for the group names and the other file for group member's name. First, we need to know the format of these files. So what we can do is to simply download the sample files and fill them with our required data. You can download the files from the More Help link. First, download the groups file. Now, in this Excel file, just fill the first three columns with the group names, in this case, Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. You can delete the rest of the rows, but do not delete the other columns. Save the file. Now we can download the members file. In this file, there are two columns, group code and username. You will fill the group code column with the group's names that we put in the groups file, such as Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. The username column will be filled with student IDs. You will have to use the same group name of section name against each student ID who is member of that group. Now we will create some dummy sections from the existing students in this course. Okay, now you can start to fill the group member file as so. After completing, save the file. Now go back to Import option and select both files for the group names and group member names. Once the files are selected, click the Submit button. Wait a moment depending upon the number of students in each sections. Click F5 to refresh the page. Now you can see the group names and the number of students in that group. We can create smart views, which displays the group names under the Grade Center. Select all the group names, click Bulk Action, and click Create Smart View for Group. Go to Full Grade Center. From the top menu, select Manage, click Smart Views. Here you will see all the group name are visible. To display these under the Grade Center, click the favorite star icon and click OK.